From your local National Weather Service office in La Crosse, this is meteorologist Dave Lawrence, bringing you a latest look at some potentially nasty winter weather conditions across portions of the area. This will be mainly later in the day on Sunday, February 7th, right on through the day on Monday, the 8th. Taking a look around the region, you can see there are blizzard watches in effect as of late this afternoon. That stretches from just west of the Twin Cities right on down through much of north central Iowa, including areas closer to the region that we're responsible for, mainly west of Highway 63 into southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. Now, the reason for those blizzard watches will be the passage of a strong cold front, ushering in some much colder air and very windy conditions later during the day on Sunday and again into Monday. Here's a look at the latest expected high wind gusts. You can see the strongest core of winds is expected to pass across western Minnesota and to much of northwest Iowa. However, we do still expect plenty of wind gusts in the 35 to 45 mile per hour range, extending right on down into much of southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa, and perhaps even along the ridge tops either side of the Mississippi River. Now, with that in mind, there could be, of course, some nasty winter weather conditions when we combine that wind with what is expected to be periods of snow showers as well, beginning later Sunday, continuing through Monday. In terms of total accumulation, we're not expecting a whole lot, maybe 1 to 2 inches across much of the area, perhaps an additional inch to the north of I-94. But this snow will be very light, very fluffy, and be able to be blown around considerably by those strong winds. As such, there is the potential for blizzard conditions to develop, again, especially west of Highway 63. That's something you're going to keep a very close eye on if you have any travel plans later in the day Sunday, as conditions could go from fairly mild to considerably worse very quickly as those winds kick in during the afternoon hours. Again, in terms of timing, we're looking at mainly Sunday afternoon into early Monday evening. Snowfall 1 to 3 inches, not a big deal, but certainly plenty enough to be blown around. And of course, strong winds will produce some blowing and drifting snow, with severely impacted travel definitely possible. Again, the further west you get along the I-90 corridor, there could be periods of extreme whiteout conditions out that way, with roads potentially even closed at times later Sunday night into Monday. Once again, there is blizzard watches in effect for portions of the area. We're going to keep a close eye on this over the next 24 hours and see where the latest model trends take us. But for now, if you do have any travel plans across the area heading into Monday, including the Monday morning commute, be sure to tuck this one in the back of your mind, keep a close eye on the weather, and check back with us for the latest conditions over the next 24 hours. Thank you for joining us for this briefing. Once again, I am meteorologist Dave Lawrence, and we appreciate your time.